Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this beautiful pattern. It's really easy and fast to knit. What we have to do for this pattern, we need to have multiple of 6 plus 2 plus 1. For the first row, I'm going to take the first one as an edge, then pull 1, knit 1, pull 1, knit 1. Exactly, it's like a rib. I'll keep continue until the end of the row by knit 1, pull 1, and the last stitch also I'm going to knit it. We're going to keep continue 5 more rows like that by knit 1, pull 1, because for this pattern I had 6 rows between the pattern, but again is optional. If you want to have more rows, you can do that, like 8 or 10 rows. You decide, it's based on your yarn or the pattern you like to use. I'm going to keep continue 3 more rows and I'll be back. Now I already knitted 6 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we are in row 7 and it's time to start this pattern here. As you can see here, for this pattern I need to have 3 pull, 3 knit, 3 pull, 3 knit. We are going to make it here in row 7. I'll take the first one. As I told you, I need 3 stitches with pull. I had the first one, so okay, this is the first one. Now I need 1 more. What I have to do, I'm going to, like a cable, I take that one and change it with this. So now I have the third 1 2 3. Now I need 3 knit stitches, so I have 1 here, I have the second one, I need 1 more. I'm going to take this one and change with that one. As you can see here, now I have 3 knitted stitches. Again I need 3 pull. I have 1 2, I need 1 more. I'm going to take that one and change it with this 1 2 3. Again 3 knit, 1 2, I need 1 more, and repeat by 1 2, I need 1 more pull, I'll take it. Exactly, it's like a cape. One, two, I need 1 more. I'm going to change this one with this. As you can see here, the last 3 stitches is going to be pull. Row 8, we are going to just knit whatever it is. It means 3 knit, 3 pull, 3 knit, 3 pull. right. Now we are in row 9. We are going to start to make the pattern by knit and pull 3 like that, the first one. When it comes to the knitted stitches, we are going to take the third one and just put it on the top of these two like that. Then knit the first one, yarn over and knit the third. Let's do it again by pull 3. When it comes to that part, take the third one like that, knit 1, yarn over and knit the next one, and repeat again. Right. Row 10. What we have to do, the one is knitted knit. When it comes to the pull stitch, again we are going to pull all stitches like that. That's fine. You have to have a hole here. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2 and 3. We're going to repeat 2 more rows, just normal knitting. It means row 11 and row 12. Just we have to do whatever it is, the pull stitch, pull, the knit stitch, knit. I'm going to do this row and the next row, just whatever it is, and I'll be back. As you can see here, I already knitted 2 more rows. Now we are in row 13. In row 13, we are going to repeat the pattern like row 7. It means that we just pull 3, then when it comes to this 3, take the last one like this, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. Repeat again, exactly like row 7. One, 2, 3. The pattern should look like that. Row 14, what we have to do, this is really important. You have to be careful when you knit 3. When it comes to these 3 pull, you are not going to have a hole like here. You have to just pull the stitches like this. See, as you can see here, you don't have any more hole here. Let me show you one more time. If it comes in these 3, just pull the first one normal. In this row, you should not knit it like that. You have to take it in these loops here and then pull. As you can see here, there is no more hole here because this is the pattern finish. I'm going to change it again. That's why we don't need to have hole. Let me show you in front side. As you can see here, you have only hole in the beginning of the pattern. When it comes to that part, it means we are finished the pattern like this. As you can see here, is finished. Now it's time to do the pattern like in the beginning. What we have to do, it means we need one purl, one knit. So I have one purl, I need to have one knit. Again, I'm going to change this one with that, then this one. So I'm going to take this and then change with that one. Now I have one purl, one knit. I have one purl here. Now it's change again, time to have one knit, so I already have it, one knit here. Now I need one purl, so I have to take that one and change it with this, like that. So I have one purl, again one knit, one purl. Now it's time to have one knit, so change that one with this and repeat. It means one purl, one knit. When it comes to that part, you have to change it to have it exactly like row 1. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, I need one purl, knit 1, purl 1, and the last one. If you just knit the next row like whatever it is, one knit, one purl. As you can see here, this is the repeat of row 1. 1. Let me just finish the row. Exactly like row 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and the last stitches. You can see again, you have to keep continue like the one in the beginning. You have to do it 6 rows, and then after 6 rows you have to repeat again like row 7 and start to make that pattern. If you keep continue, you can see here, if you keep continue this pattern from row 1 to end of that rows here, you are going to have a beautiful pattern. Just let me show you. As you can see here, again it's like a rib. You have to keep continue 2 more rows because for each pattern you need to have 6 rows like a rib. Then I start again to make that part. If you keep continue the pattern, after few rows you are going to have this beautiful model. This is front side and this is the back side of the work. As you can see here, this is really fast to knit because it's easy, and as you can see also it's like a stretchable. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a great day.